Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're building a metal plate for the back of the bike, as well as fitting the number plate, the brake line for the rear caliper, and hopefully going for a ride. Let's get on with it. I forgot to press record, so I actually missed the footage of me fitting the brake line to the caliper and filling the reservoir with fluid. Here I'm removing the caliper and lifting it to be the highest point to make the bleeding go a little faster. Okay, now I'm bleeding the brake line. I'm removing the rear tail light to do some CAD for the rear plate. Now we move to the dining table to transfer the corrugated cardboard to some cereal box cardboard. Now to check whether the cardboard fits on the bike before making it from steel. Cut the steel to the line. Now I'm using the bench grinder to clean up the edges ready for welding. I do some test welds using some scraps before I start welding the real thing. In my excitement, I forgot to bend it first. A quick homemade brake bends it into place before welding it all back together. Grinder and paint makes me into the welder I ain't. Really thick paint. Fit it to the bike. Thanks for watching. That's the tailplate finished, but I don't really like it. Not sure about the seat either, so we're going to revisit these in a later episode. So thanks for watching, comment down below. Remember, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing, leave a like, and take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time.